What's up? What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome into another music production video. What's this? Oh, that's my antiperspirant, so I don't smell like. Before we get into this very next music production heavy banger production video, I want to plug a sample pack. Recently I released super heavy sample pack with super heavy drums, 1,000 samples, extremely heavy, although diverse as well. If you want to check it out, you can go to this website and you can preview individual samples. Whew. I really love this build-up drum. Whew. That drum fill is so sick. Also cymbal loops, tension building drum fills, kicks, snares. Ooh. Ooh. Hi-hats, perks, everything is inside, super heavy, but also medium heavy and soft, so if you're making a track, you don't need any another drum pack. I want this drum sample pack to be all you need. Yeah, it's 1,000 drums. So for those who got the pack, I hope you like it and I hope you make really sick bangers with them. We're gonna make a banger now. I mean, I hope so, right? Let's just go. I'm super hyped because I finally can use this pack. I was also trying to make the sample pack so that I can use it later and that it will help me make better tunes that I think I would use all the time and I felt like are gonna be pretty useful. So let's just make some tune, you know? Okay, so let's start with a synth. Let's just create a synth, flip it, and then let's see what we can do with it. Sounds like a cool ARP. Ooh. Bro, I got the chicken food. Very tasty. A lot of muscle grow and shit like that. But let's just go back to making this sick beat. Okay, let's see. That's pretty good. I improved the script. Instead of moving the mouse, it just uses a search shortcut. OTT, bam, OTT loaded. A little bit of this. There's this bass that is super insane. Yeah. Maybe it's a little bit too slow and I don't want to tweak it, so I'm just gonna pick a different bass. Let's just go to one of these guys. Let's pick like Foom. Yeah, let's do it like that. Pretty good. Just get rid of this sub bass on sides, like these guys. I really don't like it. Okay, so we can do another thing that I really like to do sometimes. A Contact 5 post-apocalyptic lead in the background with analog dreams. Super sick. I did it in like one song already and it's super insane, super intense. Extend that like that and then we do this thing. So what we're gonna do with this guy here, go here with the MIDI control pitch bend and we're gonna do like a like this. Duplicate this guy here. Like that. So we're doing these pitch bends because they give that post-apocalyptic kind of vibe. Oh. That's super sick. Oh, this is gonna be super sick. Okay, so we're gonna do this and we're gonna start maybe... okay, I'm gonna duplicate this massive X. Also, what I'm gonna delete these guys. The respace will come here. Then we're gonna have these guys. Wait, these guys coming in like that. And then there's gonna be a build-up, I guess. Let's see. Okay, now this arrangement is kind of weird, but let's just go and pick finally we can use this super heavy sample pack. Let's just go to build up drums. Let's go, we are working in 145. I want 150, so let's go to 150. And let's try. Ooh. Ooh, that's cool. Let's use a drum fill as well. This one is the best. Also, we have to combine it with a reversed kick. Okay, cool. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hell yeah. Ooh. 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 Okay, this is gonna hit hard as hell. Ooh. Oh my god, this is gonna hit hard as hell. I have this project, one of the preview tracks. I can show you the technique that I did inside. It's a sub distortion. I made a video on it already, but it's a really sick sub distorting kind of thing that just creates such a good combination of like a distorted melodic content and a sub. Let's just take a listen. So yeah, we can put this guy here. Like boom, boom. Yeah, so if you put anything inside this group, let's say I'm gonna put this lead. So without the distortion, pretty standard, but with the distortion. What's happening is that when the sub bass collides with any other frequencies, it creates this sort of distortion, kind of really crunchy thing. So there was also LFO tool on this. Okay, so we're not going to use this distortion. Maybe it's going to work a little bit later. Now I want to focus on really super heavy drums, you know? So, ooh. Super cool. So one of the things I really like to do when working on really heavy shit is I like to duplicate the kick and reverse it so it kind of slides to the next kick. Ooh. Okay, we can do this. We can duplicate this kick and see what's gonna happen now. We can take this kick, put it like here. Yeah, so what we do is we make this one like -7, make this one like -5, and make this one like -3. Maybe this one -7, and this one -10. And maybe let's put that later, like here somewhere. Maybe here. Let's put a snare here. So there's a couple of categories in this pack. Epic, heavy, soft, trappy. For every single part of your song, there's a lot of epic ones. Let's try this one. Cool. We can take this part, reverse it, do like this fades here, and slide it like that. So let's try this guy. See, this is what's happening. Really, really sick. So we can double that with a clean one. Okay, so everything single bassline note here should be in F. Because we are saying in F in 808.1. Ooh, let's check this one. Oh, here. Oh, there we go. Okay, let's do another layer. By the way, I didn't mention that. LFO tool is automating the volume, so it's like whoop, 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 whoop. This is what the shape looks like. Oh, because there's no LFO tool on this, that's why. Pretty good. Yeah, let's make it wide. This guy is mono. Ooh, what if we put the like in like really house effect kind of like really wide percussion things? Ooh, that'd be sick. Make it in tune. How about this? How about that? How about has? Ooh, interesting. Okay, so then we have to make this much more interesting. Maybe change the melody a little bit, but definitely add a hi-hat loop and clap loop. I do have one here. Yay. And I would do hats close. No, trappy. Yeah, like this one, like really fast because the ARP tempo is like. Ooh, that's good. Also, I need like an open hat, like just running in the background, like. I need like a how about duplicating this guy here? I do have the sample pack that is coming really soon and it's gonna be free. There we go. Where is it? Yeah, this guy. Let's just make this transition at the end. Delete this thing. Okay, let's just pick this vocal. I'm gonna do one of the tricks. Warp this guy, actually warp every single one. I'm gonna use a texture mode, something like this. Just stretch this guy. We can use also a saturator. I really like these settings, like 300 here, depth and drive. Let's just go like that. Okay, I think that's it. Let's... Oh, wait, hold on a second. One thing left, because this is clipping as hell. So let's just do that free clip thing. Okay, let's take a listen. Holy flippin' shit. Oh my god, that's heavy. I have chills, bro. I have chills. This is so heavy. Oh my god, this is like a quiet Byzant type of thing. Kind of level, like pretty close. Damn it, these drums. Oof. Oh man, that's so heavy. That's literally the best thing I've ever made. Oh my god, like the last 5 or 6 tracks I've been making, it's like freaking mind-blowing. I literally have no idea why and what is happening. Okay, that's it. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you learned something. Make sure to check out Super Heavy if you want to make super heavy drops like that, and have a nice day and see ya in the next one. So that's it. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, you can side on that subscribe button. Also, you can visit my site oversample.us for some high quality samples, presets and free sounds.